Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WebinarJam events and recordings, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your WebinarJam events and recordings, start by logging into your WebinarJam account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Events section from the dashboard. Locate the event you want to backup in the list of scheduled and past webinars. Click on the event title to access the event settings and details. In the Event Details page, look for the Recordings tab. Click on the Recordings tab to view all the recordings associated with that particular event. Here, you'll see a list of recorded sessions, each with a unique download link. Select the recording you wish to backup by clicking on the download link next to it. Once the download begins, save the file to your desired location on your computer. Repeat this process for each recording associated with the event. Next, return to the My Events section to back up additional events if necessary. To ensure all details are saved, take screenshots of your event settings, chat logs, and registration data. For the chat logs, scroll to the chat section in the event details and copy the text directly. Paste the copied chat log into a document for safe storage. For registration data, navigate to the Registration tab in the Event settings. Download the registration reports by clicking on the corresponding links for data files. Once you have all necessary recordings and data files, create a dedicated folder on your computer for easy access. Organize your backups by creating subfolders for each webinar event. Lastly, consider uploading your backed up files to a cloud storage service for added security. This way, you can ensure your valuable webinar content is preserved and easily retrievable whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.